This is a Hyundai HX145LCR. It is a short radius machine. This one is equipped with rubber track pads, gives you the ability to cross streets and sidewalks and parking lots and such without doing any damage. It also has a cab with heat, air conditioning, USB. It has a heated seat, air ride. The boom is equipped with auxiliary hydraulics, 1- and 2-way, to run a breaker or say a hydraulic thumb or steer. It has a dozer blade, pattern changer equipped. It also has the plumbing installed on it to run a hydraulic quick coupler, and the controls are already in the cab for that also. It's equipped with a rear view camera, so you can see behind you when you're in operation.